Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Q1 of the bi-weekly contest 171 complete prime number. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. I think the key thing to note is that it only has 9 digits, right? If it has 9 digits, what does that mean? Well, it only has 9 prefix, maybe 8, depending how you want to count it, and 9 suffixes, which means you only have to check for 18 numbers. And each of those numbers, you could do the square root method because it only goes up to like 10 to the 5th, right? And we have only 9 numbers to check. That's less than 1,000,000 per input. That's fine. Yeah, and that's basically what I did. I think there are things that you still have to be careful about, meaning 0 and 1s. I think one thing that I was looking for a little bit during the contest was a specific definition of prime numbers. I guess maybe it is here actually. But you know, so I guess they do actually do it. But I don't like that you have to hover to get it because I don't know, it's not very accessible. But in any case, yeah. And this is pretty standard. I hope I don't have to describe it. That's just the way that I've always done it. Maybe you could optimize it slightly, but obviously not necessary. It is a Q1 after all, and I just check that as a prime. If not, then check the prefix or the suffix, and that's it. Yeah. Let me know what you think. Like I said, this is going to be let's say D is the number of digits, then we are going to do. It's a way thing. Because it depends how you want to define n, right? N is not the number of, n is the number of bits representing the number. And the square root method, if you want to call it that, is actually exponential, right? It's actually 2 to the n over 2. And so you could, depending how you want to say it, it's going to be n times 2 to the n over 2, right? Or 2 times, n times 2 to the n, right? Because if the n digits, then this is going to take n time, or the loop is going to take n loop, each of these doing 2 to the n time. So you could say that's n times 2 to the n if you want to say it that way. And that's it. That's what I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and you could watch me solve it live in the contest now. What is going on with my UI? Okay. Every suffix is really annoying. I mean, nothing too hard, but just annoying. 10 to the 9. What's 10 to the 9? Like 30,000. I think we should be fine with just what's K? Is it all K? Okay. Something like that, right? True, false, true. Alright, I mean, is there 0? No, there's 1 though. 1 should not be a prime. Though I think I returned true here. So I think that's a gotcha. Usually they define prime more specifically. Like they say they usually be more specific with like has 2 devices or something. Which, you know, but I guess they just, I don't know what happened to this UI. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, these problems, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy to mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.